the heart, the stomach, all inside, no? So it's a frog without secrets. Well, I'm Jaime Culebras. I'm biologist. We put all the information, even the DNA, in an analyze, and we saw, wow, yes, it's a totally different species. It's a very, very transparent. You can see perfectly the heart, the stomach, all inside, no? So it's a frog without secrets. In this case, the attacking nouns is special because it's endemic to this area and is a threatened species because deforestation, the mining. We have an enormous diversity but very endemic. So when you destroy an area, you can extinct many species. Ecominga, they are protecting the forest, they are buying more land to increase the surface of their reserve. At the same time, they are working with the local people.